Ready to supercharge your teamwork in Basecamp? Let's dive into how to quickly add new members to your projects, making collaboration a breeze. First, you'll need to be in the specific project where you want to add the new team member. Click on the project's name to enter it. In this example, we will be using Project Alpha. Once inside the project, look for the Team and Guests option in the left-hand sidebar. This is your central hub for managing project participants. Click on it. You'll now see the current members of the project. To add someone new, click the Add People to this project button. It's usually located at the top or bottom of the list. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the new member's email address. Type in their email address in the designated field. After that, you can select a role for the new member. You may be able to choose between options like member, client, or manager. Depending on your Basecamp settings, select the role that best suits their involvement in the project. After selecting a role, click the Add These People button. Basecamp will then send an invitation to the new member to join the project. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the invitation has been sent, and that's it. The new team member will receive an email with instructions on how to join the project.